Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Tech GOAT, and in this C++ beginners tutorial we'll be talking about variables. Okay, so in my last video we was the basic input and output operations. We're talking a little bit about variables, but we're not going into detail. So this video we'll be talking a whole lot of stuff about variables. Okay, so a variable is a name, memory location, okay, and then used to store data, and it can be changed and it can be used as many times as you like. Okay, so it's a way to represent memory location through symbols so that it can be easily identified in your codes. Okay, so let's see this syntax below. Let me show you. Type variable. Okay, we were talking about the rules in assigning a variable. Okay, so let's just see this example that I've placed here. So if you want to declare a variable, you have to know the variable type. So let's say we are declaring an integer. An integer is a whole number. Okay, so integer x. So an integer is a whole number. Put that in mind. It's very useful. And a float is a decimal number. So let's say we want to make x as an integer. So whole numbers. We know that s will only accept whole numbers. So for the float too, we know that, let's say we make y float, meaning the value which the y will contain will be decimal numbers. Okay, so then you also have character. So the character can be a, b, c, like whatever characters. So down to let's make it was s, and okay, so characters can be a, b, c, d, all characters. Okay, so let's clear this one and let's get some examples. Okay, so int x is equal to 10 comma b is equal to 3. They are whole numbers. Okay, and floats. So let's say y is equal to 5.0. okay, and character, and let's see. Okay, f is equal to b. So b is a character. Okay, all right. So put this in mind. If you are let's say if you are assigning digits to a variable, you have to know the variable type before you assign it. Okay, so put that in mind. So let's move to the rules in assigning a variable. Okay, so a variable can have alphabet, digits, and an underscore. So a variable name can start with an alphabet name. Name. So it's a good practice. Okay, so that you have to be adding underscores to your variable. It's a good practice. Okay, so let's say name 1. Okay, like it makes your code more simple. Okay, so let's say code name 4. Yeah, so if you are assigning name, like let's say n is n, but if you're making like car names, you see, to make it very nice and very readable, it's not really composed, but it's recommended just add an underscore. So car name. Okay, yeah, so a variable can have digits car 5, car 6, sorry 4, and whatever, but a variable can start with a digit. You can't make a 5 car, it will never work. It's not done. 7 car. A variable can start with a number. Okay, underscore only. So no white space allowed in the variable name. So you can't make like name, sorry, name. You can't give space, like there should be no space, okay, inside the variable name. And a variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword. Okay, so let's say we have reserved words like float is a reserved word in C++. We have int. So a variable name cannot be float. You can't set a variable name to float. You can't set it to true. Okay, like those are called the reserved words. Okay, so just put it in mind. So let's use some valid variable names. Let me give examples. We have int a, okay, variable name. We have int b, sorry, b, okay. I also have, let's say, int a30. And you can also make like int yh 1 2 10, or whatever I want to name it. Okay, so these are examples of valid variable names, and let's also give an example of invalid variable names. Okay, invalid. An example is int float is invalid. We have int x y, leaving a space inside is invalid. And also I think these are some examples of invalid variables that we'll be talking about. So just put it in mind, you cannot set a variable name to a reserved word. Okay, so let's put that in mind. Okay, so guys, let's move on and let's talk about operators. Okay, so hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Tech Geo ATM. For this C++ beginning tutorial, we're talking about operators. So an operator is simply a symbol that is used to perform operations. So there can be many types of operations. We have logical operations, we have bitwise operations, and we also have there are many more of it. Okay, so we have arithmetic operators, we have relational operators, we have logical operators, we have bitwise operators, we have assignment operators, unary and conditional operators. Like, there are many more. So like you see the examples I've done here. I made an example. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the basic stuff for the meantime. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and turn on the bell notification icon in case I post new videos. You just receive update and come and watch it fast. So let's talk about the basic one. In my next video, we'll be talking about more of this. Okay, so you see plus, minus, division, times. Yeah, that's they are all called operators. Okay, so we have something called precedence of operators in Python. In C++. So you see, C++ specifies which operator will be evaluated first than the other. So what I've done here, you see, I'll get a result like I'll get 105 because the multiplication sign is evaluated before the plus sign. Don't worry, you get all of this. Okay, so it's very easy. I'll just give you a simple scheme or a simple something that you use to make reference in case if you forget about this. Okay, so we have operators that will be evaluated first before the others and then next. Okay, so guys, just subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification icon. Is very important so that you receive update anytime I post new videos. Okay, so like this video, share, comment, and also if you need any help, just check on my IG Tech Geo AT. I'll reply you, and if there's any problem, I'll just help you out. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have fun.